Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-trent. Today we're going to paint a silly seahorse on Saturday. Yes, I'm silly on Saturday today. Saturday is meant to be silly. And this is a simple, fun, easy seahorse. It's that Lily Pulitzer feel that people love in the summertime. They're fun, bright, vibrant clothes. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with a drawing of the seahorse. Make a little line for the tip of his nose. We're going to pull the curve up and over. And then over here, I'm going to pull it. I'm going to pull it like this for his body. Curve it. Like so. There's a little back fin. Now if you can't do this right away, you just go like this. And then you can put the little curved lines and then erase this part and his little eyes. And we're going to put a little thing on his head here. And if you have this hair, you can make little lines going like this if you're not going to do it the way I'm doing it. But that's just a simple, fast, easy sketch to do a seahorse. So I've drawn it here on my 100% B paper. This is cotton paper. He's lightly sketched in. I've got my paints. I've got a turquoise that I've used. Let's see. I've got a cerulean blue here too. That's nice. Can put over here. I'm going to use about 3-4 colors. We got ultramarine, and the turquoise I use sometimes. I use this real intense turquoise blue from Dr. Martens, or I can find my other one hiding. Here it is. Just this cheap one from Michael's. It's not going to have the intensity. Also, this ice blue is fantastic turquoise from Dr. P.H. Martens. This is more of a greenish turquoise. It's nice. It's not the best. This intense one over here would be from the ice blue. And I just realized I had ice blue when it was dead, and I thought I bought another one, but I bought the turquoise. Oh well. I'm sure it's just as intense because they usually are. No, it's a little different. No, the ice blue is good. Good thing I had some left over. So this is going to be really simple, fast, easy wash. I'm going to grab my new Princeton 8 long round, get some water on it. I've got paper towel over here. And we're going to get a good amount of this turquoise on here. Just want to see this color. Yep, that's good. This is a super easy, fast way to paint it. It looks just almost like a Lily Pulitzer print. So it's going to go in, and we're not going to cover the whole thing. We're going to leave lots of white. I'm just going to go real fast. We're not covering the whole. We're going to cover this part, his belly. We're going to leave white intentionally in the body. Like in here too. It's a fast exercise. It's a fun one. You don't have to use this brush, believe me. There's so many other brushes you could use. I gave you a bunch of brushes that I like to use in that tutorial. That is on my channel page. You can look at it. Now see, it's dark in some areas and light some others. That's fine. Just kind of fill it in real loosely, not getting real technical with it. Like I said, leaving some white. Same thing over here. There's a little wing. Getting that base turquoise down. This is a fun, if you have a, well, if you have a beach house, good luck to you. awesome. Love you. Jealous. I want a beach house badly. This would be great for a beach house. If you're going to do an invitation in the summertime for a party. So there you go. We're going to just do that white part like that. We're going to let this dry though. We don't want any bleeding at all, like the wet on wet technique. We want this part to dry and want to come back. Okay, we're back. He's dry. Now we're going to work on some of the details that makes it look like kind of like a lily pulitzer. So we're going to grab a darker turquoise, which is that one I used here, this Artist Loft. Doesn't have that brilliancy like the other one, but it's a darker tone of it. We're just going to go in. I'm actually going to change the brush because it's too pointy and I don't want it that pointy. I'm going to get it flatter. So I'm going to grab this Cotman Winsor Newton brush. It doesn't have a super point, but it's rounded on top. I'm going to go in and make these little fast. That might be a little too bright. I want to tone it down a bit. I'll put some green in there. There we go. Just, you know, where the lines would be for his belly. Real loose. That's the look of the Lily Pulitzer. It's just this loose, watery, fun, very bright colored design. I love the prints. It just reminds me of vacation, summer. See how I'm just putting this in real loose? But it's nice intense color. You get that feeling that it's like a lily print, but you're creating your own. I'll do that little crown on his head. And now I'm going to grab some ultramarine, mix with the, oh, that's sorry, that was indigo, and I have to get rid of that. Ultramarine, there we go. Gonna mix it with a little violet, just a touch. So it has a periwinkle kind of color. I'm gonna put that around here too, details. These simple colors, it's like turquoise, a deep periwinkle. These are kind of her signature colors. But you see how easy that is to look like that? You get that fun same look. It's really simple. People ask me all the time, well, how do you know when to stop? You kind of just got to have a feel for it. I mean, got to step back and look at it, say, hey, is it overboard? I'm going to add a little deeper ultramarine. Just do the eye and the ultramarine, like so. Can add some of that. Again, more highlights. Give it that loose, fun feel to it. So you get the periwinkle, you get a little bit of ultramarine, you get the two turquoise, and that's pretty much it. Give it a little necklace. Play around with the pattern on the inside. I mean, you can put some dots in there. Don't want to overload it too much because then it looks overworked. And then if you want to add some like fun coral type elements on the outside of it, you grab this turquoise. You just go like this. You take the point of this is the Princeton long round. Look at that. And then with this you can make those perfect little leaves. Have fun with this one. You don't have to put these little leaves that I'm doing here. You put some coral, get the periwinkle color again, which is the ultramarine with a touch of violet. And you throw that coral. So easy to paint that. Down here. Look how fun that is. You could put some shells. If you want to add even more detail, just take that ultramarine, put in some, well, let's make it that periwinkle color again. And we'll dab it on the paper towel. That was a little too concentrated here. Put some little dots. So you're building up this composition. Instead of just having a plain old seahorse just sitting there all alone, you know, you're changing it up. You're adding some tones in here. You're just building on it. Grab some of that turquoise. Some on the edge. Look how simple this was. And cute and fun. And it has that look. If you love the lily look, if you don't, well, then you don't have to paint this. But even if you just like it, it's cute. So there you go. Very simple, sweet, fun. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day.